Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the hub with an account that can change content controls. This is essential. Once signed in, go to Settings, choose Content Controls, and locate the Safe Search toggle. Turn Safe Search on and confirm the change. The system will apply the setting across the profile. Make sure you save or confirm prompts, because unsaved changes won't protect new viewers. If you manage multiple profiles, repeat for each one to ensure consistent filters across devices. Once Safe Search is active, refine how it behaves by choosing the filter strength that matches your needs: strict for minimal risk, moderate for partial filtering. Then add exceptions. Whitelist trusted channels or block specific keywords to tune results. Make sure to check device-specific rules so mobile and TV behave the same way. If you want time-based control, add schedules to limit viewing hours. These steps reduce false positives and give practical flexibility while maintaining protection. Finish by testing the hub from different devices and accounts to confirm Safe Search works consistently. Perform specific search queries that should be blocked and some that should pass. If something fails, clear browser or app cache, update the hub app or firmware, and reapply the Safe Search setting. Often a restart finalizes changes. Finally, monitor audit logs or notifications for unexpected changes, and keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Check for conflicting parental controls or network-level filters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.